Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Jones, and you are watching Let's Talk. COVID-19 is steadily challenging the reopening of schools across the nation and across the globe alike. Today, Dr. Julie Hatchel, principal at Top of the World Elementary School, is here to share with us just how reopening schools can be done. Welcome to the show, Dr. Hatchel.
Thank you.
How did you get your teachers and parents and students and community leaders, all the stakeholders on board? And how did you sort through all the red tape? I'm sure there were many things that you had to comb through.
Definitely. The key to that really was engaging all of our stakeholder groups in a very transparent and open way through dialogue over the course of months. So as we started looking at how do we reopen successfully, we wanted to hear from our parent groups. What is it that you're concerned about? And what ideas do you have to address those concerns? How would you like that reopening to look relative to the time spent on campus? What are your expectations for online learning? And we did the same with all of our employee groups, our teachers, our classified association members, and of course our board as well.
Absolutely wonderful. So do students and staff wear masks? This is a question I've had to ask everyone in talking to my colleagues and friends across the nation and across the globe. And are they practicing social distance during the school day? Because I would think that it would be a huge challenge.
I would say absolutely to both of your questions.
Outstanding.
It is mandatory that all of our staff members wear masks at all time, with the exception of when they may be eating in the lounge. And at the same time, if their masks are off, they are socially distancing, as well as all of our students. So at my school, we have special education students that are preschool all the way up through fifth grade. We have kindergarten through fifth grade general education. And all of them are doing a fantastic job of wearing masks. They're capable, the expectation is there, and they are living up to it. Social distancing, we are doing it with a few reminders. I think we're just
social beings naturally.
Absolutely. We're all social beings. And so with a few gentle reminders here and there, the kids are not being belligerent about not wanting to social distance. It's just a few reminders. Hey guys, keep your space. And they definitely are compliant.
I see. And have there been any new cases of coronavirus within your school since reopening, or what, if so, what has your response been? Or if not, what is the protocol that you would follow if there is a reported case?
So we have not had any cases since we've reopened. We did do voluntary testing for all of our students prior to coming on campus, and we did identify 2 students. We're very transparent with our number, so you can go onto the website for the school district and you can see the number of reported cases for staff and students. But we have not had one positive case since we've reopened for staff or students. If we were to have a positive case, we work very closely with our district nurse. We have a full-time nurse that works with us, and she works with contact tracing with all of our parents, as well as a reentry plan of when our students can come back to campus.
Excellent. Now, when you say contact tracing, does that involve an app that the district uses, or is that just, the process that DPH perhaps is following in terms of when there's a reported case within the area or vicinity or region where your school is located? There's a process or a hierarchy, if you will, in terms of who to contact, when to contact them, etc.
It's really good old-fashioned phone calling is what we do. So we contact the parent, and then the parent lets us know who they were around over a period of time. We also work with our county Department of Health, and they assist us as well. But the general obligation has been upon us to be able to reach out to those families and then determine who they were around and what the risk was, and make those phone calls and guide the families in reporting and testing and quarantining when necessary.
Mm-hmm. So finally, can you say something, or if maybe there are encouraging words to viewers who are watching, who might have anxiety or fears around reopening of schools in their communities? What can you say to them?
I would say that open communication, being honest with one another, working together to address those fears and concerns, and problem solving collaboratively is key to being successful. It's been a joy having our kids on campus. We feel alive again, even though it's very different. But to see kids who are struggling, whether it's because they didn't have the resources that they needed, with maybe a parent assisting them or having the technological capacity to be able to succeed. Having them back on campus, although it looks different, has been critical for being able to address their learning.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more educational news, exclusive interviews, and more.